Okay, we're going to look at Ashgate eBooks, which is a collection that's focused in the humanities. So to get to that collection, first we're going to start off at the library website, and in the search box right here, we're going to type Ashgate eBooks and search. Okay, you'll see one result that says Ashgate eBooks, and right underneath that it says go to this resource. So if you click that, it's going to link us out to the Ashgate ebrary. This collection is best to use if you create an account and sign in, because you cannot download as PDF the ebooks or print them, but when you create an account you can save them to a bookshelf so you can access them quickly later without having to research your topics. So up at the top right you can sign in. You can either click here to create an account, it only takes about a minute or two, or you can log into yours. I'll log into mine. Okay, so your first page is the info page. There's some extra resources here about using this ebook collection. But let's go ahead, and right at the top here you'll see a simple search, the single bar. Let's click in there, and let's say that I'm searching for resources on Walt Whitman. We're in a humanities collection. Let's look for Walt Whitman. So we search for our term. We can limit based on these extra criteria up here at the top. We can browse our results. Here we got 130 results. And let's go ahead and just open the first one and see how these ebooks work. So you can see here on the left side, this is where the book is going to be displayed. Here on the right, we see Whitman is our search term, and then it's going to highlight it. So you can see here it highlighted Whitman. It also gives us a counter of how many times that term appears in each chapter. So here we see chapter 4 has a lot, 5 not so much, and other places a little bit. Now, one of the nice things about the ebrary is that though you cannot download the PDFs, you have access to some other tools that can help you in doing some of your research. So here we go, we're in chapter 1. And if you look on the left side here, what I'm going to do is use my cursor to highlight a word. So you click and you drag and you make a little box over a word. You can see I have the word concourse highlighted. Now up in the top left there's info tools. You can click down. You can do things like define, locate if it's a place, do a biography or Wikipedia if it's a person. You can also tell it to search the web on Google, search for images, etc. So we're just going to do define, and I'll show you a quick trick. So it links out and it shows us the definition of concourse. Some of the many neat little tools. I can also here tell it to highlight. And if I find something that I like that I might use in a research paper, I can also tell it to add a note. By clicking down on info tools, I can go down here to create note, and I could say quotation for paragraph 3 and say OK. Now over here on the right I can see my notes. I can see the words that I highlight. I can also see that this is a note. When I click on that, it'll open that page and show me what I had highlighted. Now once you start adding notes and highlighting, the ebook will get automatically saved onto your bookshelf. So when you come back to the info page, you can click on bookshelf after you sign in, and this will show you your saved items. You can see I already have some saved. Well, here's what we were just looking at. I can pop that back open and see all my notes and quickly return to the research I was doing.